Okay, it's my Toyota FJ62 1988 truck for sale. Diesel motor, very rare to find a diesel original motor. So, interior and the back's in pretty good shape. Couple little stains I think on the chairs, but no big holes or anything in there. Oh, that. The back, that does not latch or secure. I had a rope that tied it shut, but I took it off. That back Toyota decal is missing, but well, it's not on, but I have it, so it just needs to get reapplied. But yeah, I use that stick there to hold it up, and then the mechanism in here is missing. Spare tire, Oman Emu suspension. Yeah, there is some rusting spots on the car, but the roof is in good shape. And you know, when Jack owned it, the guy before me, he did paint it. But yeah, there's a couple of bits of rust here and there. Could probably be dealt with. Undercarriage. Okay, some relatively new tires that I put on. They're I forget what type of tire they are. Well, I put a little gun safe in underneath the chair here. And then there's also a locking mechanism to lock in the gear shifter. Okay, so let's fire her up. Oh. Okay. There's the mileage. 335, 346. The glow plugs do work, which I had replaced because they weren't working properly, and put in a new thermometer because the other one wasn't working, which I thought was probably one of my most important gauges in the car. All right, and then the ignition switch is over here, and there she is. Yeah, she doesn't really run for the day, so kind of warm her up a bit, but that's how she runs. A couple of cracks on the dash there, that kind of little hole there. This door, like, closes good, but there's something. There must have been some little problem over there with the door at some point in time. Okay, we're just going to drive around the neighborhood here. Whoops, there's me. Quick little drive around the neighborhood. I think that's about it. Stereo does work with a cable when I plug it into the iPhone, but the radio antenna is broken. Jack had put a coat hanger in there, but it never quite worked right. So that's not working. The AC was working just fine, but the blower went out. So this blower down here, you had to give it a tap because it would get stuck. And then about 6 months ago, it just went out. So as of right now, the car doesn't have any AC, but it did hold a charge, and I used it for almost 2 years. But the blower mechanism is not working. So there we go. That's what I got.